our lives, we often hesitate to try new things out of fear. Thoughts like, can we do it? Will we fail? Is it dangerous? Stop us. This fear can hide the amazing opportunities right in front of our eyes. This is a beautiful story about a small beach bird, a sandpiper hatchling that stood on the shore, terrified of the vast ocean and the rushing waves. To satisfy its hunger, it was forced to overcome that big fear. Here is how that little life broke through its hesitation and saw the world from a new angle to achieve success. On a beautiful beach, a small, fluffy sandpiper hatchling lived with its flock. Its mother was trying to teach it how to find food. She showed the little one how to dig for clams buried in the sand when the ocean waves pulled back. Watching its mother run toward the sea to find food, the little bird followed her with excitement. But when it least expected it, a huge wave came crashing down. It completely drenched the little bird and rolled it over in the water. The hatchling was terrified by this experience. A rigid decision formed in its small mind. I will never go near the water again. Those waves are dangerous. It sat on the dry sand, hungry and sad, while watching the other birds easily hunting for food. Just then, a small hermit crab accidentally crawled nearby. The little bird watched what the crab did when a wave came. As the water rushed in, the crab simply buried itself deep into the sand. Once the wave passed, it came back out. Seeing this, the little bird gained some courage. When the next big wave approached, instead of running away in fear, it dug into the sand just like the crab. When the water rushed over it, the bird slowly opened its eyes. A surprise was waiting. Underwater, it saw a new beautiful world. As the waves stirred up the sand, the bird could clearly see countless clams floating right in front of it. When the wave receded, the bird popped out happily. Its fear was completely gone. It excitedly ran into the waves and began hunting bigger clams than all the other birds. In the end, it happily played with the very same waves it used to fear. Same like, if we conquer our fears and look at the world from a new perspective, the opportunities available to us are endless. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.